Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Do you know that typing names on the internet might earn you up to $400 per day? That's awesome, right? It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As you can see, typing one page of names can earn you $15. 5 pages can make you $75, and typing 20 pages a day can earn you $300. The best part is there's no restrictions. You may type as much as you like and earn as much as you want. This job is something you can do on your phone or your computer, and it's entirely free and available all over the world. That is why you better stay tuned and watch this video to the end to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which is somewhat complicated and most people get it incorrectly. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, I want you to come over to this website called talentdesire.com. This opportunity is free. You don't need any investments to get started. When you scroll down below, you can see that they offer different options to work from home, like online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. There are many other jobs that you can do, but in this video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs, because this is one of the simplest things you can do on this website and requires no experience or tech skills. Using the calculator, you can estimate how much money you can make from this job. Pay attention to the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can get paid per word that you type. On average, it is $0.5 per word, and one page usually has around 300 words. You can get paid simply by inputting names. Let me show you in this page where you can genuinely get paid $15 for writing 300 words. It is a fantastic opportunity to make money. Consider this. We can receive up to 20 pages per day at $15 per page, which means you can easily earn $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. That totals to around $13,500 up to $27,000 per year. Now you can see that the registration is free and there are no hidden fees before or after joining. And they don't ask about investment to you at any stage. Right over here, you can see, depending on what level you are, how you'll get paid different amounts, ranging from beginners up to the experts. You can see here that you can get paid even if you are a complete beginner. Here's the bonus tip. Please go to the website ratatype.com. This is the website where you can take a free typing test. After that, I want you to click on the yellow icon right here, and it will take you to this page where you might start typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing exam because this website will provide you with a typing certificate. You can receive the certificate for free, and the reason you need one is because it will increase your income and earning rates per page. For example, if you want to earn $15 for every page you type, make sure you get the certificate. This certificate is the ultimate secret because even if you are entirely new, you will be accepted much faster and have access to more high-paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. When you start typing on this website, it will calculate how many words you can type per minute and your accuracy, including any spelling or typing errors. You can see here that your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you'll make. By taking a typing test and obtaining a certificate from this website, you can demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy, which will quickly increase your payout rate. If your accuracy is less than 98%, don't panic. You can go back to the website ratatype.com and take the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Now, once you've arrived at a satisfactory result, you may sign up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on this link right here. You can make a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. So go ahead and click the yellow sign up button. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, when you scroll down below and click on the certificate, you'll see that it says awarded to your name for typing in English. And they'll even show you the ratatype.com signature to verify that the certificate is authentic. You can click on this print button right here when you scroll down again, but don't worry, you can do this on your computer or your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is see the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the Save button. Once you obtain the certificate, you can head back to talentdesire.com so you can start applying for this job. When you get to the bottom of this website, click the red button that says Apply Now, and you'll be taken to this page where you can begin applying for jobs. Then, simply scroll down to see what's available and choose an application. After that, we'll proceed to this page where you can fill out an online application for work-at-home jobs. I want you to scroll down and look for this red link to fill in your details to apply and work for talentdesire.com. When you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information. The first thing you'll need to do is to accept the privacy policy. Then type in your first and last names as well as your email address, phone numbers, and country. Then click the down arrow. They accept people from nations like India, Nigeria, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, the United States, Pakistan, and so much more. Moving on to the next page, this is all about your professional information. And it is a critical section that most people get wrong. Now I want you to enter the job title section. Make sure to type the job title as online job typing, and then choose what time is ideal for you. Next, click on the down arrow right here, and you can choose any time you like. But I recommend it all day because it will provide you more options and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then using the down arrow here, select the best method for receiving your payments. Then using the down arrow here, select the best method for receiving your earnings. PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, and direct deposit. Now scroll down below to see and choose your current professional status. Once you've filled out all the details, click Yes, I've read and accept the statement above. And don't forget your signature. Just put your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot, and then click the Submit button. Once accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs such as this one to earn $15 for just 300 words. And this is just one page, and then another $15 for the second page, and another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for every page that you type, but make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. If you follow the instructions thoroughly, then there will be no problem. They will notify you if there are available jobs that fit your qualifications. And that's it! That's our video for today. We hope you liked that one. We tried a different type of video today, and if you love similar content like this, feel free to comment below. We will be glad to share with you more tutorials on how to make money online easily that can kickstart your millionaire journey. See you in the following video. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips in achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.